how I made a wire armature for my creature. It seemed like this year I couldn't find any Halloween decorations that I could turn into a creature for my Halloween story. So I decided to make one for myself. I found this bag of creepy skulls and this creepy cloth for just a couple bucks. Not bad for a Halloween video. I started by putting the skull on a piece of wire after poking holes in it and looping the wire around the hole. I wanted to have some articulation in the head, so I created a couple of bundles of wire and put it through this metal bit that I found. Then I started on the shoulders and spine. I'm not too concerned about this being in a human proportion because it's just a creature, so it doesn't matter. Attached the shoulder and spine to the metal bit and then started covering it with masking tape. Masking tape is great to work with. You could do all sorts of things with it. I covered the spine and shoulders and then started working on the hips and covered it with masking tape also. I made some loops at the shoulder and hips to attach the arms and legs to. I attached some paperclip wire to the arms. The arms are going to be unusually long, which will give them that really creepy look. I used some thin wire at the shoulders, hips, knees, and elbows to make him posable so I could keep him in a pose. Then I continued to his knees and shins and covered them with masking tape. His legs ended up shorter than his arms, which gives him that really odd look, kind of the one I'm going for. I made a simple triangle shape for his hand and then attached small paper clips to use for his fingers and held him in place with masking tape. I straightened the paper clips out and bent him over to create his fingers and then covered it all with masking tape. His fingers ended up really long and bony, kind of the look I'm going for this creature. And then I had to repeat the process on the other hand. I used some larger paper clips for the feet. I just went with a real simple shape and covered it with masking tape. I had to build up his torso a bit because he was awfully skinny. So I used some masking tape and created some bulk. Time to paint. I covered his head with paper towel and then painted his body with the Krylon Ultra Flat Black spray paint. Once the paint was dry, I used some super glue and glued on the creepy cloth on his arms, legs, and his body. Give him that real tattered, creepy look. I also draped some creepy cloth over his head to give him that Grim Reaper look. Turned out really cool. I finished by giving him a jewel in the forehead, the source of his power. I glued a small jewel onto a thumbtack and pushed the thumbtack into his forehead. It worked really well. This jewel would be his source of power. If you haven't seen my Halloween video, be sure to check it out right there. Okay, I wanted to give you guys some updates. I started an Etsy store. Link will be down in the description box. You can check it out if you want. I'd really appreciate it. Give some shout outs to some really great G.I. Joe channels. We're building such a great community here. I'm really enjoying this. SpiderMonkeyFilms, Backyard Battlefront, Gary's Action Man channel, Michael Boinski, sorry if I mispronounced that, TheSkullReviews, Logic Blaster, MIB Master Toy Museum 1979, Brad Curry, EliteActionJoe Studios, G.I. Joe The Lost Chronicles, also Skunk Works G.I. Joe Customs. Come join us on YouTube Joe's. We'd love to have you. Also check out Toys Back Zen. I just ran across them the other day and subscribed. I think they'd be a great addition to our YouTube Joes. If you're watching this, come join us. Hey, if you have a G.I. Joe channel and you'd like to join us, we'd be happy to have you. It doesn't matter if you're a 12-inch or the 3/4-inch little guys. A Joe's a Joe. We'd love to have you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.